Ever wondered how top airline logos are designed? Today, we're crafting a sleek, modern airline logo using wings, the letter F, and a hidden bird in the negative space. Stay tuned, this is going to be epic. So, we're designing an airline logo. The elements we're working with are a wing, the letter F, and a bird's head subtly placed in the negative space. To start, we grab the rectangle tool and shape the wings. Then, by holding Alt, we duplicate one of them. Next, using the ellipse tool, we create the negative space. Any extra parts? We clean those up with the Shape Builder tool. Now, let's draw the bird's eye to add some character. Time to add some color. Using the Add Anchor Point tool, we adjust curves to refine the shape. Then, we grab the text tool, type in the company name, the logo is ready. Last step. Save it. Open Photoshop, and place it into a mock-up to see how it looks in a real-world setting. And that's it. Logo done. Thanks for watching. To support me and see more tutorials, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts with me.